Hey everyone. Today on the channel, I'll show you how to create a VHS effect in CapCut. So here I am in CapCut, and first, set your screen to a 4:3 aspect ratio to give it that floppy disk look. Next, go into Effects and type VHS. There are tons of different VHS varieties. Yeah, these two worked for me. You just drag them to where you want to add the VHS effect. Okay, let me just mute the sound. There, and this is pretty much what it looks like. You can customize it, right? Like add more blur, like this. This actually looks good like this. Add more grit and it looks pretty good. There's also this other one. It's more like it blurs videos more. But you can also customize this one. Oh no, you can't. Only a little bit. Well, that's pretty much it. I was here with you. Bye, everyone.